Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jen Rosenbaum and I'm going to give you a quick tip today on how to use one light to create a more fashion style look for your boudoir shoots. Hey guys, so I am using today the Jen Rosenbaum Solux kit by Westcott. Now the kit comes with 2 lights, but I'm only going to use one right now, and that's what's so great about the kit. We have an option to use 1 or 2. I'm going to use one head with the 2x3 softbox, and I threw a grid on that softbox. Now the grid is not included in the kit, but it's something I definitely recommend purchasing. I keep them in my studio. It helps with a little bit more of a contrasty look, so you'll see how I use it. Now here's the thing. I'm at the Westcott headquarters right now and they have this really cool closet with some fun stuff in it. I dug through and I found this dress, and it's a corset style dress. So I turned it around and I made the lacing part the front to give it a little bit more of a boudoir feel, but I'm looking for a little bit more of a fashion feel. So I'm gonna light it that way, I'm gonna pose it that way, and I'm gonna keep boudoir in mind, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it also. So let's get shooting. I'm gonna go from lighting everything here to putting the grid on, and it's gonna narrow it to about 40 degrees. So I really want her to be the focus. I want everything else to pretty much fall in shadow. So I'm gonna put this on now, and I'm gonna show you how it affects the photo. So Peyton, I want you to think about a little bit more fashion now versus boudoir. I know we've been shooting boudoir today. I want you to think a little more fashion-y. So I want exaggerated, like really nice arched toes, a little bit edgier expression. So why don't we start with just kind of leaning over and putting your hands on your legs. Oh yeah, perfect, I love that actually. With the hand that's closest to me, can you just let it go on the top? Yeah, perfect, good. So I love how the light is really just on her and it's creating nice depth and shadows, and good. Now pop the shoulder back again for me. Yeah, no, that was great actually the way you, yep. Good, can you look down for me? Beautiful. Now even though you're looking down, I want you to still have an expression. I want you to think about something sexy, or yeah, just kind of breathe through your lips. I love that. And just look at me from there if you can. You can turn your head a little bit more to me. Great. Now can I have you turn and face me? Excellent. Let's do something kind of similar where you're up on your toes. Yeah, and then just bring your arms in the middle. Good. And then lean toward me just a little bit and turn your head more toward the light for me. Good, and I want exaggeration. In fashion, exaggeration is super important. Yeah, you can put your elbows up. Yes, I love that, much better. And just raise your chin a little tiny bit. Beautiful. Can you tilt your head this way? So you see, you guys, I can just continue posing her, moving around, coming in, taking different shots of her, but it's super easy. Just one light, softbox, and a grid, and you can have a fashion look all your own.